Hi, I'm J. Lenora Bressler, leadership and employee engagement speaker, author, trainer, and coach. And on today's edition of Instant Insight for Leaders, I'm here to talk to you about, are you saving for a rainy day? And we're here on a rainy afternoon, almost evening, in my gazebo. And perhaps you can't hear it, but I can hear the pitter-patter of the raindrops falling on the roof of the gazebo and on the trees, the leaves of the bushes all around. And so it put me in mind of the proverbial rainy day. Now, I'm not talking about a financial rainy day necessarily. I'm not asking you if you've put aside enough capital to get you through a cash slump. I'm talking about a rainy day emotionally for your employees. I'm talking about those times that for whatever reason, and it may have an economic basis as part of it, there's a doldrums, there's a malaise, there is just a time when people do not feel they're in the best stage of their professional lives or the best stage of your company's life. And those days are going to come because, as we know, rain does fall in every life, including the lives of a company. So what are you going to do? Have you prepared for those rainy days? How do you bolster morale during slumps? How do you drum up enthusiasm when maybe there just doesn't seem to be that much to be enthusiastic about? Well, one thing is you have to have invested during the good times in making sure people realized they were the good times. Because during the doldrums, you want to remind people that it hasn't always been this way and therefore won't be this way forever. This too shall pass. But that's going to be hard for you to sound convincing with if you have not had good times with your employees. So I encourage you that during the up times, you spend time and treasure on your people. Make sure that you are celebrating together. Make sure that you are having moments, memories. You're creating memories that people will look back and say, that was Camelot. And that way, when you need to remember them, they'll be remembered with those kind of golden halos around them. And you can remind them, we've been through great times together, and we will again. We are in a valley, but we've been on the mountain, and we'll be there again. You can't do that if you haven't carpe diemed during the good times. So, what should you be doing to save for a rainy day? You need to create memories of good times with your employees. Celebrate accomplishments, both individual and organization-wide. Do good work with good people in good company. And make sure you not only experience it, but you say that you are. You make sure people see it and appreciate it for the great times it is. And then when it's in the doldrums, you remind them, we'll be back. I'm J. Lenora Bressler. Visit me on the web at jlenorabressler.com. Connect with me on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. And watch my ever-increasing library of videos at my new YouTube channel, J. Lenora Bressler. Be sure you subscribe. Have a great leadership day.